So a train starts from rest and accelerates uniformly at 1.5 meters per second until it attains that speed, a speed of 30 meters per second. Find the distance the train travels during the motion and then the time taken. So now the question says that a train starts from rest. Now when they say that a train is starting from rest, it means that its initial velocity u is equal to 0 because it's starting from rest. And it accelerates uniformly at 1.5 meters per second. So it means that its acceleration here is 1.5 meters per second squared until it attains a speed of 30 meters per second. So it accelerates until it attains a speed that's now this is the final velocity. So it attains a final velocity v of 30 meters per second. Find the distance the train travels during the motion. So you're required to find the distance the train travels during the motion and the time taken. So you also need to find the time taken. So to find our value of s, we can use the third one. V squared is equal to u squared plus 2as. Our value of v in this case is going to be 30. So it's going to be 30 squared is going to be equal to u squared. Our value of u is 0, so it's 0 squared plus 2 times acceleration, which is 1.5, times s, that is s width, what we're looking for. So 30 squared, which is 900, is going to be 0 squared, which is 0, plus 2 times 1.5, which is 3s. Divide both sides by 3. So our value of s is going to end up having 300 meters. So the distance the train travels during the motion is 300 meters. That's what we've got. So now to find the time taken. So still to find the time taken, we are going to use one of the equations of motion, one that is appropriate. So to find the time taken, we shall say s is equal to u plus v over 2, multiply that by t. We know our s is 300, so 300 is going to be equal to initial velocity, which is 0, plus final velocity v, which is 30, divide that by 2, and all this is multiplied by t. So that is going to give us 30 over 2, because 0 plus 30 is 30, so 30 over 2 is 15, so it's 15, t giving us 300, divide that by 15, divide that by 15, that goes with that by 15 once, by 15 is twice 0. So the time taken here is 20 seconds. So that's the time taken for the train to travel. So you can as well try out that number on your screen. A cheetah can accelerate from rest to 30 meters per second in a distance of 25 meters. Find the acceleration. I expect that the acceleration you'll be able to get is 18 meters per second squared. You could try it out. This brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to check out other excellent videos on the channel and don't forget to subscribe. For Kisembo Academy, this is Arnold Rangakuramia helping you manifest excellence.